You can't come back though, okay? Hey, why are you back in here?
June 2023. A bar patron is trespassed and returns 27 seconds later. 4 legal issues. The business owner's absolute right to exclude. The criminal mechanics of trespass after warning. The identification requirement during trespass proceedings. And the force analysis triggered by his physical resistance.
Hey, maybe you recognize those ducks.
It's the cousins.
You said the outside bar, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna go in through.
Look, hey, you got my cousins. What's up, guys? So this guy, so he has me now. He was very belligerent, vulgarities, and he just kept putting his hands on me like that. I asked him, please stop, please stop, please stop. He started making violent overtones. Never got over the limit, but I just want to trespass him. Okay. He's running the bar right now. And make sure he gets home safe.
Hey brother, how you doing? Hey, managers are asking you to leave because they don't want you here anymore. I don't know why. However, they were asking you to leave. So.
Did I pay my tab?
Yeah, you already cashed out. You're good.
I paid my tab?
Yep, you're good.
Wow.
Because they don't want your business apparently. So I don't know. But,
I don't know what that is.
No, you got a jar.
I have no idea what that is.
okay. All right, so let's just grab your bag and we'll walk out front real quick, okay?
I have to?
Yes.
I really do.
Yeah, you really do.
Even though I paid this?
I'm sorry?
Even though I paid the tab for the bar?
Yeah, you
I have
have
to leave.
Yeah.
Is that real?
Yep.
They're right. They're going to shoot 70 years.
I respect you. My bad.
All right, bro.
I do not know.
I know, I understand, but they want you to go.
So it's not yours, that little jar down there?
Let's go out this way. Go out
You
front.
search me?
We don't need to search.
Okay.
I don't, yeah, I know. Good, how are you?
Yeah!
Go straight this way.
Now what?
Now I just need to get your name. Let's go.
Now what?
Just hang with me real quick. Let me get your name.
So what did I really do wrong?
I don't know exactly what happened.
I don't know either.
However,
However, what did I do?
Flung this at my bartender. Just so you
What
guys
did I do?
know.
I flung it.
oh, that would probably be part of the reason why you're not.
Sure, I
welcome.
flung my black car at a bar.
What's your first name?
Mickey.
Is it Nicholas or?
Mickey. This Mickey.
Oh, Mickey. M-I-C-K-Y?
Yep, last name Miller. I flung that at the bartender.
What's your middle initial?
Excuse me.
Yeah.
So I paid with my black card.
Okay.
He claims I flung it at the bartender.
Who cares?
I care.
What's your middle initial?
No, I care.
What's your middle initial?
Walking.
Hey, listen, you don't want to do this. Okay.
What did I do? What did I do?
I don't know, but I've been pretty
What did
cool.
I do?
I don't know, but I've been pretty
Bro.
back.
No, y'all both. What did I do? Okay, so I
You
gave him.
irate. Okay, that's the whole point.
This is why we're here, right here.
Because you're acting like a...
So I'm trying to make sure that you don't.
But you're
go to
taking
jail.
my name for what? For
Because-
getting a beer, bro?
No, because he's asking you to be trespassed from here. That is why.
For what?
For whatever
No,
reason you
what
guys
did he
had.
do?
I don't know.
So I sat at the bar. I said, let me get a beer. They found what? I was irate?
I
For
don't.
what?
I don't know, man. And honestly,
Can I just go over there?
No, we're not done talking.
we have to get your name and
No.
date of birth. You have to give it to us.
I don't have to.
Yes, you do.
I'm under arrest?
Yes.
I'm under arrest?
You will be under arrest if
I'm under
you do not
arrest.
give it to us.
I'm detained.
This is what you want to do?
I'm detained for what?
This is what you want to do?
bro, what am I? I'm a
I've been pretty cool with you so far, have I not? Have I not? Have I been an asshole to you at all? Okay. So,
what do you want? What do you want?
just your middle initial.
John Miller. You're right. My bad. John Miller.
Date of birth?
10/28, 1982.
82?
1982.
Okay. You're good to go, okay?
Thank
You can't come back though, okay?
Under Florida property law, a private business owner has an absolute right to exclude any person for any reason or no reason at all. A paying customer has no greater right to remain than a non-paying one. A manager's request to leave, conveyed through law enforcement, satisfies the legal predicate for Section 810.08 without any additional justification. What did I do is not a legal defense. Florida Statute Section 810.08 makes trespass after warning a first-degree misdemeanor. The elements are a prior warning not to return and re-entry. The warning was delivered at Bodycam timestamp 4 minutes 46 seconds. The subject returned at 5:13:27 seconds later. His stated reason, waiting for an Uber confirmed to be parked outside, is not a recognized exception. Section 810,08 contain no exception. The subject's challenge to the identification request, "Am I under arrest?" raises the Terry question. Under Terry versus Ohio, officers may request identifying information during a lawful investigatory detention. A formal trespass notice additionally requires the subject's name and date of birth to be enforceable without identification. A future trespass after warning charge cannot be prosecuted. The request was lawful on both grounds.
Got a backpack.
Hey, why are you back in here?
I will show you the Uber.
But why are you back in here?
I will show you the Uber.
No, I don't want to see your Uber. I want to know why you're back in here.
The Uber's coming.
No, you've been trespassing here. You cannot come back in here. I've already told you that.
There's my Uber, bro.
Turn around. Come on, stand up. Stand up.
There's my Uber.
Stand up.
No.
For what?
You're about 2 seconds to slam
Don't touch me. Don't touch my phone. Whoa. For what? For what? For what? No. Nope. Bro. Get off of me.
You're about to get taken.
What are you doing? No. Are you kidding me, bro? Okay, you win. Okay, you win. I'm not even fighting, bro. Ow! Fuck you. Whatever, guys. Ow! Fuck.
Delta 5, West Palm, Army Supervisor.
So if an Uber
I don't know whose phone this is.
That's it, thank you.
Look at my eyebrow, bro.
Can't be doing that,
Before you
Jimmy.
do that, look at my eyebrow. Before you back in. I literally have an Uber coming. I sat at the bar for an Uber.
Step him back.
Bro. No, bro. Let me talk to him.
10-4.
Bro, look
Am I on 3 still?
Can you look at me real quick?
That's 10-4 by 293 is not 2.
Copy, I'm switching over to 2. Delta 5, West Palm.
Go ahead.
Start me medics, I'm going to have a use of force, and a 10-15.
Number 763. We have a reference for the medic.
That's crazy,
Laceration to the eye. It's going to be probably like a 40-year-old white male.
This is where I'm arrested?
Number 763.
9-0, copy.
Next drive.
You see my eyebrow?
I see your eyebrow, man. If
Why'd
you would
you
have
do
just
that?
listened to me,
I
then
did.
we wouldn't be in this position now, would we?
But look at my phone. The Uber's here. He's here. Look, he's right there. That's the white car. I'm trying to get an Uber, please. Let me just get an Uber and go.
No, you gotta go to jail now.
For what?
Trespass, resisting arrest.
Bro. That's my literally Uber. My peed. Can you just like on this one use your intelligence?
No, it's not. This is what
On
happens
this one,
now.
use your intelligence.
This is what happens now.
Bro, I'm gonna get in that Uber and go home.
No, you're not.
Why?
Because now you're going to jail.
Why?
All right,
What
have a
did
seat.
I do?
Have a seat. Okay.
I'm not bad. This is crazy, Doc.
The resisting charge has two classifications. Section 843.02, without violence, is a first-degree misdemeanor. Section 843.01, with violence, is a third-degree felony. Verbal refusal to stand up satisfies 843.02 before any physical contact. The physical struggle, the eye injury on camera, and the dispatch of medics indicate the encounter crossed into active physical resistance, raising the charge to the felony provision of 843.01. The officer's radio call, use of force, and a 10 to 15 correctly triggered the reporting obligation. Under Graham versus Connor, force is evaluated by objective reasonableness, whether the force was reasonable given the circumstances facing the officer at that moment. The eye injury and dispatch of medics require documentation in the use of force report. The classification of the resisting charge misdemeanor or felony follows that determination.
My name is Officer Kelly with the West Palm Beach Police Department. Today's date is 6/21/2023 at approximately 18:44 hours. I am presently at 2224 Palm Beach Boulevard, Twin Peaks. I am with the store manager. Can you state your name?
George Venezia,
Can you spell it?
V as in Victor, Enezia.
Okay, and what's your date of birth?
4/27/1969. Yes, I'm old.
This is in reference to a trespassing, which is documented under. Please raise your right hand for me.
Yes, sir.
Do you swear and affirm the testimony you're about to provide, that you're about to give, is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Okay, you can go ahead and explain to me what happened.
Okay, so we called the officers out because the guest was being belligerent, and I raid out at the bar. He started cursing at me, actually put hands on me. The officers arrived very quickly, actually, had the guest removed. While they were doing paperwork, I guess he snuck back on in. Wound up seeing him in the bathroom. We noticed the officer was still in the parking lot. We ran back in, let him know that he was back in the restaurant. They came, and then I guess he started being aggressive towards them, and I guess they arrested him and took him out of the restaurant, as far as I know.
Is there anything else you'd like to provide?
Like I said, he was very aggressive. As a matter of fact, the entire bar was actually uneasy with this guy out, so they were very helpful getting him removed. So I do appreciate that.
And you did state you wanted him trespassed earlier.
Absolutely.
Okay,
Yes.
so here we completed a trespass form which we provided to you.
Yes, you did. Thank you.
All right. Today's date is, the time is now 18:45 hours. I'm ending this interview. Do you swear that the testimony that you gave was the truth?
I do.
Okay. All right.
Thank you, sir.
The sworn manager interview is noteworthy documentation. Officer Kelly administered a formal oath, collected full identifying information, asked an open-ended narrative question, and time-stamped opening and closing. A contemporaneous sworn on-camera statement locks in the witness's account before memory fades and creates a record that can support the trespass prosecution, corroborating the prior belligerence, the warning, the unauthorized re-entry, and the physical resistance. The subject was arrested for trespass after warning and resisting arrest. Medics were dispatched for an eye injury. A trespass form was completed and provided to the manager. Case disposition is unknown at time of analysis. The officer receives a B+. The initial approach was professionally de-escalatory. Identification collection, while contested, succeeded without force during the first interaction. The sworn manager interview oath, full witness identification, open-ended narrative, time-stamped is model documentation for a trespass case. Use of force protocol was correctly followed. 2 deductions. The subject re-entered 27 seconds after the warning, while officers were still on premises, and the trespass warning was informally delivered without clear formal language. The subject receives a D. A female patron reported unsolicited physical contact. The manager testified under oath that the subject put hands on him. Providing identifying information during the first interaction is credited. The D is driven by the return 27 seconds after the warning, with confirmed transportation, waiting outside, followed by physical resistance, that resulted in a documented eye injury. 3 takeaways. First, under Section 810.08, a business owner's right to exclude requires no reason. What did I do is not a defense. Only the management's wish is required. Second, trespass after warning is complete upon re-entry. Having a ride waiting does not authorize returning to a trespassed premises. Third, verbal resistance satisfies. Section 843.02, adding physical resistance risks elevation. To Section 843.01, a third-degree felony. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.